Yes, yo, YouTube world, Zayla23 coming at y'all with another video, man. Y'all already know how we gotta do this, man. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. Right now, I am currently in Africa. I'm in the motherland. I'm in the continent, Ghana, West Africa right now, man. As you can see, yo, it is amazing. You see the beautiful vibes out here, man. I got cucumber over here. Of course, y'all can't see it because, you know, the camera is this way. But I got okra over here, man. We got some corn growing. We got some banana trees popping over here, man. It's just amazing, man. Even as I'm walking down the street, man, people just like, yo, respect, Hail Rasta, yes, Natty, blessed, blessed. You know what I'm saying? It's just respect. So it's like in America, it's like our culture there, it's like we're boxed in. You know, it's like we're independent, but it's like here, it's like it's just home, it's family. They don't know you, but they can give you enough respect. It's no disrespect whatsoever. I have not been disrespected here, and I've been here for maybe 4 days now, about 3 or 4 days now. You know, and it's love. It's just straight love, man. So look, I'm just go ahead and get straight to the video, man. These are 3 steps. 3 steps to get to Africa. No matter what country you want to go to, I'm gonna give you the 3 steps. Let's go. Oh, step number 1, your connections. Connections, connections, connections. It is so vital. Vital. Don't go anywhere just by yourself and you just don't know and, oh, I'm just gonna book a place and I'm just gonna, you know, figure it out. Nah, look. You can do that, which it is an adventure if you do that, but it will make your experience even better if you got solid connections, whether you bring people with you or not. As long as you got solid connections to wherever you want to go. And how to seal up those solid connections, I would recommend going on Instagram, putting in the hashtag of whatever country that you want to go to, and just research and just find some people, because you can feel energy through the internet. You know, you may not be standing in front of them, but you can still feel their vibe. So, you know, just go through, you might find some people, DM them, shoot them a direct message, and hey, you know, I've been looking into this country, and I like your page, and we think the same, and I was just thinking maybe if I arrive there, then, you know, Of course, proceed with caution. I would heavily recommend that you go to your community, because I'm sure you got some sort of Afrocentric community. You know, I'm in Atlanta, so it's a lot of Afrocentric communities there, and I have a lot of connections because a lot of people from Atlanta go to the continent. So just go somewhere and make sure you have connections, because look, they are locals. They were born and raised here. All you got to do is tell them what you want to see, what you want to experience, and they're like, oh, I know the perfect spot. And it's a spot you never would have even thought of because you're not from here. You see what I'm saying? Like, your ancestors might have been. You see what I'm saying? But you were born overseas. So get together with a local. Connections, connections, connections. And mind you, you can also go to my Instagram at WiseLocks, and you can shoot me a DM and I can give you information. I got a lot of connections in Ghana. I got a lot of connections. That's why this is my 2nd time here. I got a lot of connections here. I got connections in Tanzania, and I've even visited Ethiopia, you know? So just shoot me a DM on Instagram as well if you want me to give you some solid connections. So that's the first one. All right, family, so number 2, the 2nd step, passport and visa. Passport and visa. Family, family, family. This is vital. Make sure whatever African country that you want to go to, do your research. You can go on Google, type in the country that you want to go to, and you should actually be able to find a database that tells you, okay, these are a list of countries that you need a visa to get into. These are a list of countries that you don't need a visa to get to. Regardless, you are going to need a passport. So make sure that you go to your local post office, go pay that fee. They take a couple of pictures of you. They give you a passport, you know, and then after you get the passport, do your research and see, okay, which country that I want to go to, do I need a visa? For instance, Nigeria, you're going to need a visa. Ghana, you're going to need a visa. And there are multiple African countries that you're going to need a visa. But also, for instance, say if you wanted to go to Senegal, you don't need a visa. You just need a passport to enter that country. You see what I'm saying? So this is step number 2. And when you do need the visa, make sure that you go ahead and you look up everything that you need to do online so that you can go ahead and proceed with that process, I had to write like a letter to the Ghanaian embassy in America, and I had to just do whatever they asked of me to do. Yes. Yes. This is Ghana, West Africa right now, guys. We're in Ghana right now. Wow. So family, that was the second one. The third one, I'm about to go ahead and hit y'all with the third one, which y'all already know. Your finances. Now family, many people don't take the trip to Africa because of maybe the finances. I don't have the money, you know, because the plane ticket to Africa is probably gonna cost at least $800 for a plane ticket to Africa. But family, what I highly advise, don't look at it as if, oh, I'm just spending that $800 or $1,000 and it's just gone. You're looking at it as an investment. You see what I'm saying? Like you're putting your money in some stock, but over time, the reward is going to amplify. So you're going to reap more than what you put into it. You see what I'm saying? And that's going to be wise. That's going to be your wisdom. You see what I'm saying? So look at the plane ticket as an investment for a beautiful African experience, you know, and to get in tune with the land of your ancestors. When you come here, look at it as an investment. This is an investment. Come here, get some things that's from here that you can't find wherever you're from, and take it back, and you'll probably make profit. You see what I'm saying? If you work it right, if you're wise enough, you'll make profit off of coming here. So I'm gonna make more than whatever I paid to get here to Ghana. You see what I'm saying? Yes, family. Gotta let the natty out at the end, you know? So yes, family, these are 3 steps. How to get to any African country. How to get to anyone. It does not matter. If you follow these 3 steps, you can get to anyone. So I love y'all, yo. Yo, comment below. Let me know, you know, what African countries have you been to? Have you traveled to Africa before? Do you want to travel to Africa? Make sure you go follow my Instagram. And if you like this video, man, go ahead and give it a like. It really, really helps this channel to grow because I'm just trying to feed the people, man. I'm feeding the people. You see, because you also eat from what food you eat, but you also eat from what words you hear. You see what I'm saying? So I'm trying to give the people them proper nutrition through the words that they hear. You see? So just go ahead, man, like this video so that more people can see this and more people can eat what food I'm giving them on their plate. Comment below, man. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Come on, we're almost at 100,000. I think I'm at like 77,000 right now. We're almost at 100,000. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, yo. And please, family, don't forget to go ahead and check out my website, www.mynaturalroots.org. www.mynaturalroots.org. And as you support the website, this supports my travels. You see what I'm saying? So if you see something on my website that you usually buy at Walmart, Target, or any of these other European stores, anything like that, come and support. Come and get it from me. You see what I'm saying? So I can put it in better use. You see what I'm saying? And let's circulate it amongst each other. So one perfect love, man. You already know how I gotta end it out. Man, gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. More videos are coming. Yeah. A lot of videos are coming. So yo, this is the first one. I love y'all. One perfect love. Stay happy, stay healthy, and just take care of yourself, man. Perfect love all the time. Bless it. Yes, sir.